To fix a toilet flange that's not level, it's essential to understand the common reasons behind this issue. A misaligned drain pipe, instability, or a damaged toilet flange can all cause the flange to be off level. To address these problems, start by inspecting the drain pipe to see if it's misaligned or positioned incorrectly. If so, adjust or realign it to ensure the flange can be level with the floor. If the issue persists, try adjusting the height of the toilet flange. If it's too high, use a hammer to level it until it sits flush with the floor. Or trim it with a hacksaw. Conversely, if the flange is too low, use wooden shims or multiple wax rings to achieve the proper height. In some cases, the toilet flange may be excessively damaged, leading to leveling issues. To fix this, switch off the power supply, empty the tank and bowl, and remove the damaged flange from the drain pipe. Also, remove the existing wax ring and any dirt or debris. Then, install a new flange, ensuring it's the correct size and at the proper height, and reattach the new sealant. By following these steps, you can fix a toilet flange that's not level and ensure a stable and secure toilet installation.